This is the brand new wheelchair, lightweight, a lightweight wheelchair, a travel wheelchair. Kilograms of the wheelchair is 11 kilos, and capacity of the user or the capacity of the wheelchair can carry up to 80 kilos. And this is an online store, meaning you can buy it for a call, for a text. You can order online here, and we will deliver at your doorstep. Oh, we wrap with plastic because it's so dusty here in the store. Oh, this is 11 kilos, a lightweight, and a brand new. This is the cheapest, the affordable, uh, and ready to use. Uh, this is how to open the wheelchair. Stretch, or yeah, stretch, then push like that. Uh, yeah, then the backrest, and have a belt, body belt, bakus. This is a blue color. We have blue and black color. Then here I am 86 kilos. Can carry me. Yeah, this is it. This wheelchair is have an assistant. There's someone to push you, to push and pull at the back. Then have a brake at the back, and have a brake here. This is the brake, so you can stand by, steady. Oh, this is an online store. You can purchase this by call or by texting us. We are Wheelchair for Sale Cebu. Our store is Wheelchair for Sale Cebu at Facebook. Then we can deliver it to your doorstep, to your hospitals, to the clinic, or to the mall. Many customers in the mall, because the elderly, they will call that, they are traveling in the mall, travel, they are sorry, then the old one is tired and they will not walk, and then the son or daughter, they will buy it. Oh, so they will push the mother, the father, like that. Oh, oh, then have a break. It is easy to carry because it's so lightweight. It's a travel wheelchair. You can bring this to a boat, a ship, uh, a fast craft. Oh, it's so lightweight. 11 kilos. 11 kilos. Then the capacity is 80. I am 86. It's more than 80 kilos can carry the body, the weight of a man or a body. Yeah, this is a small wheel. Have a brake here, and have a footrest and a backrest can uh, to open the back, then close the back, then to open like that, then push like that. This is a blue color. Oh, we are a online seller at Facebook, Wheelchair for Sale Cebu, and we can deliver anytime, anywhere in here in Cebu, Cebu City, Lapu-Lapu City, Talisay City, Mandawi City, Danao, 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 Compostela, Liluan. We are at Liluan. You can buy anytime. You just call and video call to choose what you like. You like uh, brand new. You like brand new and the cheapest one, this one, color black and blue, a brand new cheapest wheelchair. Then by an hour you have it because we have a delivery carrier. The delivery we have a delivery partner. Yeah, it's a Maxim like that. Oh, see, very nice. uh, Easy to carry, easy to put it in your back area of your car because it's a compact, a lightweight wheelchair, uh, a travel wheelchair, a compact wheelchair, uh, a brand new wheelchair, and a beautiful wheelchair to close like that. Uh, See, compact, easy to use, easy to carry, easy to pull and push, have a brake, and so beautiful. We are a online seller in Facebook of wheelchair. Uh, Anytime you can call or text us. Our customers call and text to deliver, and we will video chat, video chat, uh, video call. Then they choose what they like, and we deliver. By an hour, you have your wheelchair. Oh, anytime you can call us to order online at Facebook, or I am John Faber. You can direct me, call, or in our store, Wheelchair for Sale Cebu.